Hello.
Can I see your driver's license, please?
My driver's license?
Yeah. You a Redskin fan?
Yeah, well, born and raised in D.C. I'm not really a sports fan or football fan, especially these days, but
My husband is a big Redskins fan.
yeah. My mom gave that to me, and then my dad gave me the chain when I was young. I've been wearing it since then, so it's more just sentimental for me. Thank
Well, it might be a collector's item
you.
one day.
Yeah, exactly.
Since everything's changing. If you could just sign in that blue area with this right here.
I don't know, it's a really sloppy signature, but right, press finish.
Yes, you can. All right, there you are. You make good timing, actually.
Thank
What
you.
time is it?
A little after 4.
Oh, exactly an
4:15.
hour. Yep.
Okay.
All right, great.
You have a good one.